Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy, but don't judge me, you guys. We're not gonna judge Kayla today, okay? And don't mind my pinky, broke my nail, but don't worry, I'm getting it done tomorrow, okay? Yeah. So we're doing a headband wig. Of course, you know this, guys. You know this. This is simple. I love a good headband wig because you can do your edges and go out the door. You can still be a baby with a headband wig, okay? And if you guys didn't know, I did do the skunk script trend. Super cute. I'm thinking about straightening my hair for you guys, so comment down below if you guys want me to straighten your hair. But this is the JuliaHair wig, and I'll make sure to have everything down in the description box for you guys. I love this hair, y'all. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna do a cheetah because why not? I love doing cheetah headbands. It just goes with a lot of things. Because I wear more, I mean, we all know, there's nothing wrong with wearing a lot of black and neutral colors. So we're gonna do a cheetah. And for my gel, I'm gonna use the olive oil Eco Styler gel. And I'm going to use a what is this, an edge control brush? Y'all, I was finna say a toothbrush. Y'all know back in the day, before edge control brushes were a thing, we was using toothbrushes, so don't even play like we didn't. So I'm going to use this, and y'all, I get kind of sensitive when I'm using like edge control brushes. I guess it's too hard for me, and it can get kind of red around my hairline, so don't mind that. So I'm using the Eco Styler gel mixed with the ORS wig gel, so my edges can stay in place, because they slick want to start curling up because I haven't really been wearing my real hair out like that. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do, baby hairs, and yeah. Our edges are done, and so now we're going to moisturize our hair. All I'm using is water and the Curls moisturizer. So this is like a cream moisturizer. Y'all, I love curly hair. I love curly hair because you don't have to flat iron it, crimp it, curl it, you don't have to hot comb it. Like, you don't have to do nothing to curly hair, really. I mean, I hot comb curly hair because I want it to be flat, you know what I'm saying? But you don't really have to. So this is the products that we're using, only 2 products, and I love that you can use like a moisturizer, water, or a moisturizer, and a edge control, not an edge control, mousse. So yeah, look at that, you guys. Buy this detangling brush. It's perfect for any type of hair. If you need to detangle, it's good if you have curly hair, if you want to like have defined curls. Look at it. Yeah, it's giving. Definitely giving. This is basically the end of the video. It's so simple, y'all. That's why I love headband wigs. This is so simple. So simple. I want to start doing get ready with me and stuff like that like I used to, because I know you guys don't want to just watch. I know you guys just don't want to watch a hair tutorial, you know? So I'm going to start asking like hair companies, can I do get ready with me and stuff like that, because I miss those. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.